Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hi friends, welcome to my video column, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, rewriting of Indian history. We are talking about this issue today because there is a particular context. We are talking this in context of the birth anniversary of a very low profiled individual, an RSS Pracharak, but who played a major role in igniting this debate on rewriting of Indian history. His name is Thakur Ram Singh. Thakur Ram Singh was born in Himachal Pradesh in Hamirpur in 1915 on 16th February, and he passed away on 6 September 2010. He became an RSS Pracharak at the age of at a very young age in 1942. As soon as he had passed out of Lahore University, he did his post-graduation in history. At that time, even after doing the post-graduation, which was a considerable achievement, instead of taking up a full-fledged academic or a professional career and making more money, he decided to join RSS as a Pracharak. That is a full-timer. And after that, he worked in different capacities in Assam, and then he was sent to Punjab. And in 1990, he was given the charge of Bala Saheb Apte Smarak Samiti. Now, this Bala Saheb Apte Smarak Samiti was a very interesting organization. It was set up in 1973. It is named after the first RSS Pracharak. And Bala Saheb Apte Smarak Samiti is the one who actually initiated a thought process on rewriting the Indian history. And we know that in 1970s, 1980s, and in 1990s, the academics was largely dominated in India by the Marxists. So, going ahead, the Bala Saheb Apte Smarak Samiti held two very interesting conferences in 1978 and 1979, where they were able to get together a large number of historians and academicians who believed that the history which we are teaching to our children is not the correct history. It's the colonial interpretation, it's the Western framework, and it is the Marxist framework, and it is not an Indian framework, and we need to teach them, we need to teach our kids an Indian perspective. So in 1980s, these informal meetings and discussions continued. However, the academics and the textbooks continue to be dominated by the Marxist interpretation. So in 1990, Thakur Ram Singh was given charge of this Bala Saheb Apte Smarak Samiti, and along with him there was a senior RSS Pracharak, Morapant Pingle. Then in 1994, an organization which is known as Akhil Bharatiya Itihas Sankalan Yojana, which can be broadly, in English if we translate the name, so it's an all India level organization which collates the history. So it was set up in 1994 May. It was set up in Delhi. Earlier, the Bala Saheb Apte Smarak Samiti, it had its headquarters in Nagpur, and after setting up this organization, Akhil Bharatiya Itihas Sankalan Yojana, which is ABISY, the shorter form. So they started, the first founder president of this organization was Thakur Ram Singh. Now, as soon as the organization was set up, he went on an all India tour, and very interestingly, this is one organization, though it was doing academic work, but they decided to build a network up to the district level. So one of the key jobs which has been taken up by this organization is to publish authentic material which should be retrieved from the grassroots level, which tells the real story of the Indian history. Currently, it has about 13 major projects which this organization is doing. But anyway, which includes tribal history, which includes debunking the Aryan invasion theory. So the core objective of this organization is to debunk the distortions in Indian history, bring in the Indian perspective or the Bharatiya perspective in Indian history, and prepare a network of all such individuals who are in favor of this paradigm. So Thakur Ram Singh, he was actively working as a president till 2003. Then he got too old. But in between 1994 to 2003, which were the formative years of this organization, he built a formidable structure. He had exceptional organizational skills. In fact, when he was Pracharak in Assam, so more than 50 full timers or Pracharaks, they joined or RSS, or you can say that more than 50 people became full timers or RSS Pracharaks. It is said because of Thakur Ram Singh. And he had such passionate for this work that when he was around 95, so at that time also he had prepared the plan for next 5 years. He remained an RSS Pracharak, and but unfortunately then he passed away, as I said, in on 6 September 2010. But before that, he had built up Akhil Bharatiya Itihas Sankalan Yojana, which has presented the counter view. Some of the people call it the nationalist perspective also, but it's basically challenging the Marxist interpretation of the Indian history. And the debate which you are seeing today, it's largely because of people like Thakur Ram Singh, who remained backroom boys, who remained extremely low profile, but who built such formidable organizations which have contributed greatly to the ideological debates which are going on right now in India. Thank you.